Welcome to CEES 2025. We are here at the Polytechnic of Bari, where we are hosting a conference together with Ithacons and University of Coimbra. We are hosting for 3 days, 300 people from around the world, 28 countries, coming to Bari, presenting over 250 papers, but also enjoying the city, discovering the culture, discovering the cuisine, and really staying together to create a nice community about environment, sustainability, energy, and water.
CEES conference has a strong interdisciplinary focus blending architecture, engineering, environmental science and digital innovation in construction. In essence, this conference reveals that innovation must meet performance, policy and climate realities. So the convergence of technology, materials, science and urban planning is central to solving the multidimensional challenge of the built environment in the face of climate change and digital transformation.
I want to share something with you that makes us very proud at Ithacons. Back in 2020, we decided to organize our first international conference, and today we are hosting the 3rd edition of the conference. And we have more than 300 abstracts, more than 200 presentations, and it is also important to mention that people came from over 25 countries. But a thing that makes us much more motivated is that a large number of participants have attending the 3 conferences, and this means a lot to us. Regarding research and regarding scientific standards, I believe that we reached a good level. Today we have a conference which proceedings will be published in Springer, and the papers will be indexed in Scopus. And I believe that is a mark of recognition of the standards of the conference. I also want to share that we try to do a contribution to foster networking and collaboration. And we have several researchers that are working together in European projects or writing new proposals. And this partnership is very important, and we hope that we have more partnerships in the future. Just to finish, I want to do a promise that in 2 years we will host the 4th edition, and that I hope that is more stronger, more meaningful, and more connected. So I hope to see you attending the conference, and I hope Humberto will be also with us in the 4th conference.
Over the 3 days, the conference will include 5 different keynote speakers from the United States, from Portugal, from Italy, but also we are going to have over 300 attendees presenting their research in parallel session all the afternoons before moving toward the social program that will occur overnight across June 11, June 12, and June 13, 2025. See you at CEES 2027.